robin makes a laughing sound by Sallie Wolf. The robin makes a laughing sound. It makes me stop and look around to see just what the robin sees. Fresh new leaves on twigs of trees, a strong high branch on which to rest, a safe dry ledge to hold its nest. The robin makes a laughing sound. I stop. I always look around to see just what the robin sees. Bye.